Walking in the sun or in the snow, we can feel the excitement growing, knowing it's the greatest time of year, and it's here. Help me say.
Hello my loves, today I have a really quick and random video for you guys. Now I have been waiting for this for over a week. My order got delayed and it finally came. And I am pretty darn excited because it was the Harry Walking Through Platform 9 3/4 Funko Pop exclusive from Box Lunch. Wow, that is a mouthful. And I have been patiently awaiting this, and it just came today in the mail. And I was like, you know what? I don't think I really did like an official unboxing on this channel, because every time I order something always goes wrong, or it comes separately, or it just gets messed up, and I never get to do a full-on unboxing. So I'm going to do that for you guys today. So I'm gonna start cutting this open now. Last time I did an unboxing for you guys, excuse me, this cold will not go away. And it seems to keep getting worse and worse, and I have 2 antibiotics, I can't even talk, from the doctors, and it's not really helping, and it's almost finished. Then I've been drinking like some honey and like lemon and stuff like that, and it's still not helping. So I guess I just gotta like bear through this. Last time I did a unboxing on live, by the way, like I was saying, but I always get sidetracked. I cut myself. I cut my finger, and that was not fun at all. Wow, Sam, wow. Okay, let's see how we get this part of the box open. There we go. And are we still in focus? Good. Because this camera has a mind of its own and it likes to do what it wants. So let's make sure that this is the right thing. Okay. And the beauty is in here. So we don't need this box. I don't know why they always do that. It's like one giant box, then like a small box inside, and it's like, really? And then to make matters worse, it's the holidays now. And I love the holidays, but you gotta watch out for your packages. So I'm a little scared about like leaving things out, because I already heard things about packages being stolen already, guys. Like, are you serious? So I don't trust my poor baby Funko Pop sitting out there in the cold. Alright guys, ready? If I could do this, right? Oh my god! This is so cute. I have seen so many pictures on Instagram. He's adorable. Just 1 second. The plastic is still on here. Look at this. He is so cute. That dang shipping always gets you, but it was worth it. I mean, I don't know what is it with Funko. They're just like this, and it's like, guys, slow down, give me a chance. Like, they used to give you a chance in between, and now it's just like rapid movement. It's like, Funko, calm down. I'm not ready. Just give me a break in between. I miss those breaks in between. It was so much easier to catch up. Like, right now, guys, I just need the Michaels exclusive Newt Scamander, and I will have the whole new wave. Yes, I will complete the wave. I just got the Chase Newt. I found him for a really good deal online. $25 free shipping. I don't think that's bad, so I got him. So I just, like I said, I just need the Michaels exclusive Newt, and I'm still missing that Luna with the Spectre specs, which I'm pretty sure I say in like every single video of mine, but it's true. So let me get him out. What a cutie! Look at this pop. They're really stepping up their game. He is so adorable. Like, I can't. I've seen pictures of this so many times on Instagram, like I said, but like to have it in my hands and actually look at the intricate details, this is more than cute. Like, I just can't explain it. It's so magical. Guys, and Fantastic Beasts is Friday, and I have front row seats with my siblings, and they don't really like know too much about Harry Potter, but they're my besties, and they are coming to watch it with me, and I'm so excited. I'm wearing my Lumos pin, and I'm wearing my Niffler, my baby Niffler shirt. It's like a tie front top, and I'm just super excited, and I can't wait anymore. Like, every time I see the trailer on TV, I'm like I just get starstruck for a second. Starstruck, does that even make sense? I don't know, but I'm just like, I can't wait anymore. Like, comment down below if you guys are counting down, and if you guys are going to see it in theaters too, because I am stoked and I just can't wait anymore. But that is my unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get this? Are you going to get this? Do you even want it? And are you guys Funko Pop collectors too or no? Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, if you guys did not go add me on Facebook, do that now. That's another social media platform that I now have. I also have a Facebook page which sorry, which you guys can go give a like, and you guys can review my channel and keep up with me on there. Like, my @name is Gryffindor Queen 24, so that is my name on there. I also have other social media such as Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, so go ahead and add me on there and catch up with all my behind the scenes goofiness and my randomness on social media. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Like a roller coaster.